Alright, so here we are on a lead page. Before we jump into anything, let me quickly explain what a lead score is. A lead score gives you an at-a-glance sense of how interested or engaged this person is. You can add scores to both leads and contacts, and they help you prioritize who needs attention first. There are two types of scores you can use: manual scores, which you set yourself based on your own judgment, and behavioral scores, which are automatically generated based on the lead's activity inside your system. To add or view scores, just click the star icon. That opens the score panel. From here, I can add a new score. I'll start with a manual score, type in the number, add a quick reason, and save it. If the lead already has a score, I can click it to make changes whenever needed. Now, scoring availability depends on your plan. Plus members can use manual scoring, but they do not have behavioral scoring or score history. Pro members get both manual and behavioral scoring, and they can see up to 5 historical scores per lead or contact. And one last bonus feature: if you're using our AI survey analysis, you can take the AI suggested score and apply it directly as a new lead score with a single click. It's a quick way to keep everything consistent and save time. That's your overview of lead scoring.